Hi all, welcome back to T&D Style. We will see the set collection. Star pattern is the colors set collection. If you purchase WhatsApp purchase. We star pattern is crepe set. Restock video. Red color star pattern batik print shibori print set. Crepe fabric. First red and black combination shibori print batik print star pattern set. Restock is beautiful color combination set. Black red color top 48-49 length crepe fabric stretchable fabric crepe. Dupatta red and black combination shibori print crepe fabric bottom is red color batik print bottom is crepe fabric price is 1390 with free shipping. Next is royal blue and black color shibori print batik print white color star pattern batik print set star pattern crepe set. Top 48-49 length. This crepe top bottom crepe fabric. Dupatta is shibori print batik print dark royal blue bottom is batik print bottom price is 1390 with free shipping. Next is black red color combination set damaneri red color and shibori print star pattern top in back same batik print star pattern batik print here top dupatta is black red combination batik print dupatta. Bottom is batik print bottom crepe fabric price is 1390 with free shipping. Next is the coffee brown and black color combination shibori print black color shibori print batik print white color star pattern batik print top in back same pattern dupatta batik print shibori print dupatta crepe fabric dupatta. Bottom is the batik print crepe bottom bottom top stitch price is 1390 with free shipping. Next is a dark maroon and black color combination star pattern is set dark maroon top in back same batik print shibori print top dupatta is batik print shibori print dupatta. Bottom is batik print bottom price is 1390 with free shipping. If you purchase WhatsApp purchase YouTube video, like, share, subscribe. Okay, thank you.